It doesn't smell like midnight. Midnight doesn't approve. But anyways, I'm gonna push the box on the floor. This is Animal. Today I got 2 Loot Crates. One's Loot Gaming. The other one, my fiance just told me, is Loot DX. It's a little bit more of a special edition type of thing there. It's bigger. So, we'll start with... Which one should I start with?
The gaming one.
This one?
Yep.
Midnight. I think people love you, but they want to see what's inside the box. We'll try to make this as efficient as possible. Ta-da! Alright. Ooh.
The theme of this one is sorcery.
Jeez. There's a lot of stuff in this one, man. Okay, so the theme of this one is?
Sorcery.
Sorcery? Okay. Exclusive Castle Dice Tower. Adult collectible, not a toy.
D&D. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Dungeon and Dragons.
Midnight. I didn't take anything out of the box yet. He's special. You're a special cat. You love water. Like boxes. Well, every cat likes boxes. Okay, so D&D special dice dragon. You heard that, huh?
Oh, it's to roll your dice. It's cool.
That's cool. I don't play D&D, but I mean, pretty nice. Okay, we'll put this over here. Cat. No.
You're gonna lose it.
No. God damn. A pin. We got a sword. We got a sword. Kitten. What is this? Zelda. Zelda. Looks like a Kinder Surprise type of thing. Man, he loves water. Smells like food. Fiance's making food. Okay, so what is this? Oh!
It's really like a Kinder Surprise.
It's like a Kinder Surprise. Well, that's cool. Little Zelda. Zelda. Little Link. How would I say something like that? Mini Links. And there's like...
It's like a Lego thing.
4 types. And this I will definitely get rid of. Not good for the dog. The dog has her bones. What is this though? Crate. Loot Crate variant.
Elder Scroll.
Damn, this is really nice though. Don't even want to break that box. All they can hear in the video is chewing. Oh wow. This is really fucking nice. Oh man.
Is a statue?
Like, did I get the special edition or something, man? Like, there's a lot of things in here. Like, look at this statue. Forged from ebony and Daedra hearts under a red harvest moon. The helm of dreaded Dremora strikes fear into all who see it, though their lives rarely last much longer. Should your quest take you beyond Tamriel, to the realm of oblivion itself, you would be wise to keep this with you. Not bad at all.
Do you have like a stand to put it on?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Y60 is gonna be like, how could you do this to me?
It's gonna be jealous.
Like, you know, I love Elder Scrolls. Yes, I know. Not my fault. Blame Lootcrate. Oh, okay. I might as well open the little mini Zelda.
Link.
Man, I'm just way too fucking tired. When my fiance knows more about Link and Zelda than I do, like, there's a problem. But she does play a lot of those games. Mini sword! Jesus Christ, it's so small.
Don't forget the shield.
I need the shield. People are probably like, God damn, he looks tired and this and that. Yeah, I am. It's alright though. It's alright. Been working a lot. So it's really like a type of Lego type of thing, I guess. Okay, so like what? He holds his shield up like, oh, okay. I see. Protect the castle. Mini blue Link. And, Jesus, man, there's a lot of things in this one, huh?
There's no poster in this one?
Not in this one. This one's a shirt. It's a nice one, too. It's like Elder Scrolls-ish.
Is that what it is?
There's a lot of Elder Scrolls in this one. Wow. Skyrim.
Skyrim.
Elder Scrolls Skyrim.
Mm.
So, okay, so this... There's a lot of dandruff. Damn you, Head and Shoulders, you lie to me. It doesn't work. I should really start picking up the garbage. Alright, so this one, the big one, supposedly. My fiance had got me this, like a special type of thing. So let's see. This was not the one like, these were coming in like every month there. This one you have to order them on the side.
Well, you can have them every month as well.
Oh, okay. So for everybody that doesn't know me personally, I love dinosaurs. I really, really love dinosaurs. I even have a T-Rex tattoo over here. One day I'll show you. I think I even did a video about it. So this one is a Jurassic Park themed
Ish.
Okay.
Yep.
Team-ish. Fart bag. Oh, you don't know what it is. Oh. Alright, so what's this? Oh, shit. The Legend of Zelda. Where's the straw? Damn it. Put it over here for now. Starting to run out of room. Okay, so this is the straw. I don't know what is in here, but
Start with the cup.
oh shit, this is okay.
Oh, they're reusable straws.
They give you two too.
So you can save the turtles.
Save them turtles. Be definitely using this. I don't know if they're like really washable.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Well, fuck. Let's get to saving some turtles. Put these over here. Wow, this is kind of nice. I'll keep this. Keep the big thing for last, right? Like Bethesda, Fallout. Oh, it's like a cannon type of thing. Broad cider replica. Oh, this is cool though. It's like a cannon type of thing. I don't play Fallout, so I couldn't tell you, but it looks cool, so I mean. Stop sniffing the trash can. Another pin. I absolutely have no idea what it is. I have to keep one of them boxes for midnight. What's up? Oh, poor midnight. I know you want water. Pass your entire afternoon in the sink. Oh, wow.
T-Rex.
Rexy! It's Rexy!
Assembly required.
Assembly required, yes. Okay, the sign. The part of the tail. Oh my god, this is nice though. Wow. If I can. I do not know how to put the tail.
I think you have it.
With a lot of strength. Bang. This was not small. Unboxing. Yes. Original. Jurassic Park. No. Damn it. I had it, man. Rexy. I gotta complete you.
It's just like the movie.
Yep. Oh yeah, no, this is like really nice.
Oh.
I don't know if it's just like that or...
Yeah, I think you have it. It's really nice.
Oh, there you go.
Got it.
This is freaking nice, though. Damn it, Midnight. I'll put it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow.
Wow, that's really nice. Like, if I don't continue ordering some
A shirt.
per month, definitely these ones here are always worth it. I don't know why. There's always a bunch of stuff in it.
And then you have a shirt.
Another t-shirt. Oh, it's a long sleeve. What is the Masters of the Universe.
Oh, cute.
All thing there. Purple. Yeah.
You can wear purple.
Yes. I'll wear it for next unboxing. Well, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning. That's it for me, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please leave a like, comment, and everything. Helps me out. And what do you think is the best looking item? For me, it's a Rexy. But this one here, though, is cool too. Very nice and detailed and everything. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.